Best deals. It's time to review some of the trendy wardrobe organizer storage bags and box that are durable and sturdy. These moving and storage containers give you the flexibility to move items out of the way and clear space for easy access during a renovation project. You can keep your items in the storage container on site for easy instant access, or store your container at a storage center and out of the way. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Clothes Organizer. Sturdy and smooth zippers provide effortless access while keeping contents protected from dust, dirt, and moisture. Crafted with premium fabric and reinforced seams, ensuring long-lasting reliability for daily storage needs. Easily folds flat when not in use, making it an efficient storage solution for small spaces and organized living. Designed for stability when stacked, perfect for storing different clothes and other household essentials. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Transparent bag. Are easy to carry and are dust and moisture proof. Also comes with dual zipper closure. They are just nylon PVC box, with no metal support inside, which is super easy to fold away into drawer or cabinet to save space. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Sari bags. With the use of our clothes storage bag with zip is made from strong cotton canvas fabric, organizing your wardrobe has become very easy, ensuring that you keep your garments for long in Almirah. Make sure that your saris, blouse, cloth and dresses are well taken care of using our premium big cotton canvas sari cover, which are equipped with sturdy zippers to ensure ease of access. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Sari bags. The compact size and lightweight design of the sari covers make them ideal for traveling or storing your clothing items when not in use. The sari covers feature a transparent window on the front, allowing you to easily identify the contents without the need to open each cover. Bag make it easy to store your saris in a neat and organized manner. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Blouse cover. Ideal for storing blouse for long periods or for convenient packing for travel or business trips. It helps keep it dust-free and best option to use while traveling. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Underbed cloth storage bag. Made of high quality, attractive, durable, odorless non-woven fabric. Using a storage bag to store items can make your home more organized and neat. It is spacious enough to hold sheets, blankets, clothes, pillows, toys, and other items. This size can store enough items, and the height of the quilt bag also it to be placed under the bed or in the closet, providing you with more storage space. Bins are equipped with a sturdy and smooth double zipper. You can easily see inside to know the types of items stored in the container. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Shoe storage bins. Clear PVC material allows easy visibility of contents without the need to open the storage bag, making it convenient to locate items quickly. Maximize space utilization by storing blankets, toys, shoes, and other items under the bed, keeping your living space organized and clutter-free. The foldable design allows the storage bag to collapse when not in use, saving space. The dust-proof feature protects your items from dust, dirt, and moisture, ensuring they stay clean and well-maintained. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Organizer. Built-in steel frame provides stability, keeps the box in shape, and allows for easy stacking without collapsing, perfect for clothes, bedding, quilts, towels, toys, and more, helping you maximize storage space. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Fabric sari bags. Feature a high-quality button closure that ensures your saris stay securely enclosed while offering quick and convenient access whenever needed. Thoughtfully designed with a breathable mesh window, each sari bag lets you identify the contents instantly. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Foldable wardrobe closet storage bin. Crafted for optimal wardrobe organization, these modules provide a seamless blend of functionality and elegance. Experience the convenience of versatile drawer storage. These organizers are not just for clothes, they effortlessly accommodate a variety of items, making them perfect for any wardrobe. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Nylon bags. These collapsible storage bags are designed with thick bottom inserts and durable handles to withstand heavy loads, providing a reliable and spacious solution for storing blankets, clothes, and more. Made from dust-proof, moisture-resistant, and mildew-resistant material, these bags ensure your belongings are safeguarded for extended periods, keeping them clean and damage-free. Featuring a foldable and stackable design, these bags maximize vertical storage space, making them ideal for small homes, apartments. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Sari covers. The non-woven fabric offers superior water and moisture resistance compared to cotton, protecting your saris from accidental spills, moisture, and mold risks. Its durable, tear-resistant quality ensures long-lasting use without fraying or weakening, making it a reliable choice for sari storage bags with zip cover. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Closet organizers. The perfect way to store not just those expensive contained saris, shirts, pants, undergarments, comforters, blankets, pillows, plush toys, jacket or other iron clothes without squeezing. One single storage bag can contain one king-size comforter. Clothes is made of Oxford fabric cloth. The appearance is transparent and visually pleasing, and it provides an elegant storage solution. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Under-bed storage box. Designed for tight under-bed or sofa areas, this foldable organizer stores clothes, toys and more, freeing up room instantly. Easily slide the box out from under beds or sofas, lock it in place for safety and convenience. Quickly identify items without opening the box. Keeps your belongings clean, fresh, and protected. Strong metal frame holds shape when full, yet folds flat when not in use. Perfect for seasonal storage. Ideal for organizing clothing, toys, shoes, books, office files, baby items, blankets, and more. Clean, modern design fits any home decor. Crafted with upgraded metal pipes and breathable non-woven fabric, the storage box ensures durability and excellent load-bearing capacity. Equipped with 4 smooth 360 degrees rotating wheels, including 2 with a locking mechanism, the storage box offers effortless movement across floors or carpets. The reinforced handles provide added convenience for lifting or repositioning, eliminating the struggle of moving heavy storage boxes. The front of the box features a large clear PVC window, allowing you to easily view the contents without opening it. The two-way zippers ensure smooth operation even when the box is fully packed, making it convenient to access stored items. Designed to fit under beds, sofas, or desks, the storage box maximizes unused space while reducing clutter. It is perfect for storing clothes, blankets, toys, books, and more, offering a practical solution for home organization without compromising room aesthetics. With detailed instructions included, the storage box is easy to assemble in minutes. Cleaning is hassle-free, just wipe it with a damp cloth and air dry. Its elegant design not only enhances functionality but also complements your room decor, providing both utility and style. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Organizer for wardrobe. This underwear organizer for women helps you manage space by neatly arranging socks, ties, and undergarments, which prevents clutter and keeps wardrobe well organized. Product link is given in the 15th link.